Wait, hold up.
Oh my god, what?
I have like 50 videos.
Wait, am I supposed to like be in the like up
No,
here?
you're not gonna be in the video.
Okay.
No, stay down. She's not here.
Alright, YouTube. So today, March 18th, we're gonna go drive a Lamborghini. What's up, man? Good, how you doing?
Ashton.
Juan. Nice to meet you. Are you allowed to hold this for
Yeah, I can hold it for you.
and like
Well,
while we're in the car?
yeah, and then we also have the dash cam as well. So you want this like on you?
On me and the road.
Okay. So that one will be on the road.
Because I paid for this, so I guess on me if that's going to be
Okay. Yeah, definitely. Then you can kind of like collaborate the two together.
Name's Ashton, you said?
Yeah.
It's filming what you're doing.
Yeah.
You want to just leave it filming?
Yeah, we can just leave it.
Alright, I'll just leave it on the car. Not me.
Yeah, man. I think she's about to take pictures.
Yeah.
How is it?
It's a lot of fun. I was a driver last week and drove it twice, and I didn't drive that thing because I'd rather drive this thing twice.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. I'd rather drive it.
Yeah, if you look straight through the back. Get a nice little picture of that. Yeah. Do you have a card?
Yeah.
Just a second.
Can't help but give it a little bit of a rest.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Here, can you push this chair up? Oh, we live, baby. Me and my boy Ashton here about to drive this Lamborghini.
Yeah.
About to test the limits.
We'll see.
What's the fastest someone's been on it?
They fit about 93 on the straight.
93 on the straight.
And I about put myself.
I'm gonna go for 100 if it's even possible.
Alright, we are good. And I don't think it's possible.
Really?
We'll go for it.
Yeah.
Alright.
So as you've been kind of watching, with the straightaway, up to the big yellow cones or orange cones over there. And then that's when you just need to really apply the brake. Upshift, downshift. She told me you work on cars, so I'm sure you're familiar with when to shift and everything.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, and then right. Yep. And then we're good whenever you are.
And it doesn't shift automatically?
So you have to do the paddle shifting up and down. And we're not going to drop down to first except for right now. Not that crazy. They'll yell at me.
Oh my bad.
It's fun, but shift. Right. Yeah, and we're not gonna downshift past there for the rest of it. They don't like it going down to first.
So we'll just
We can run it in second.
We'll run in second.
Yeah.
Right here, right?
Once we get that straight away, then you're good to
Film the
just.
road.
no mercy, ain't no mercy. Got that purple Lamborghini lurking.